Hello there, beautiful Momshies. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Today we will make tuna pancit bihon. First, saute onions in the preheat oil. Add onions. Mix the chopped onion leaves. Blend it along with the red pepper. Add the tuna, which we separated earlier from the tuna sauce. You can use any tuna of your choice. To add some color, add the carrots. Now add the soaked bihon. Mix it properly so that it will blend with the other ingredients. You can also season it with soy sauce and add a little salt. Now add the tuna sauce, which we separated earlier. Let it simmer for a while and add water. Mix it again. Now add the cabbage together with the Chinese Pechay. Mix it thoroughly and simmer it again. After about 2 minutes, open it again and see if it's ready to be served. Fresh from the grill, now we have the tuna pancit bihon. Try this, beautiful Momshies, in your home. Please check the description box for the full recipe of this vlog. Thank you for watching. Keep healthy and safe, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until next time, beautiful Momshies.